welcome back to the channel, and today we are going to train or change the coolant in the 2001 Futura. So we are going to do a few things. We're going to drain from the expansion tank. This particular model has two radiators, one here. There's a drain bolt underneath each. We need to release, there's two pipes that go in this, so we're going to release the pressure. And so let's crack on, shall we, and see if we can't get some new coolant in this thing. So it's a pretty good spot, do we think? All right, first things first, we are going to take this little plastic doohickey off because we don't need it. It's just going to get in the way. So here's the coolant tank. It's held on by just the one 8mm socket by the looks of things. So clumsy, Jesus. Every one of my videos, I think I'm either dropping something in oil or losing something. I do have that little shake washer thing that I lost from this somewhere down there. So I've ordered some new ones, and that's now here. Oh no, we have two. We have two bolts. This is my cunning use of an old oil thing, which I'm going to store this all in. Before I take it down to the recycling place. Right, there's that in there, like so. That's pretty good. That's one part done. Next up is, I'm not sure if you can see that. Let me bring it a bit closer. Can you see? There. This is the drain bolt, I believe. So we're going to attempt to drain that. And I believe the best way to do that is going to be here, so let's just put that there. Well, actually, there's that. Let's open this with an 8mm. Don't believe it's going to piss out, correct me if I'm wrong, but I'll probably get it everywhere until I release the thing at the top. Right, to release the pressure. Am I right or am I wrong? I think I'm going to be wrong. Yeah. I think I'm going to be wrong, but there we go. Let's see if I can lose this bolt in this. There we go. No, it's not pissing out. It's not pissing out, which is good. Oh, everything's very slimy. Okay, that should go in there. All right, that took far more effort than I expected. I've now loosened it off, and apologies if anyone's sitting there needing to go pee, but that's certainly not going to help things, is it? But we now have radiator 1 drained. dodgy, didn't it? It's seen better days. I'll give that a quick scrub with a brush. Bit of corrosion down here. Definitely engine coolant, nasty stuff. Before I put all of these fairings back on, I do need to give it a good clean down here. Alright. Let me show you while we're here. So, the other side is just about there. You can see it here, if it focuses, thank you. So we're going to do that one next. Drain it and we should be in good shape. Okay, I've done the other radiator as well, so they're now both empty. So I'm going to put the bolt back in here, put this back up, and then start to refill it. So here's my drain plug. Still a little bit. Oh, is that the drain plug? No, it's not. This is the drain plug. There we go. Then we're going to put this boy in here. Which one of these is it? It says it takes about a litre. Got a feeling it was overfilled before because more than the litres come out, and it was in the expansion tank way over the recommended amount. That goes in there. Wait to put this. There goes, that's in as well. All neat. Okay, very good. Right, so let's. That's done up. That's done up. That's done up. All right, and I believe we are about done. So we put this back together, filled it up through there, bled it a few times, burped it a few times. It's now nice and warm. You can just about see it there in the expansion tank, just somewhere between minimum and full, and she's looking good. If I turn her on up here, which we're getting quite good at now, I ran her up, it's quite warm, 204, so we ran it up to where the fans were kicking in, and we're in good shape. So there you go, quick and easy, changing the coolant on an Aprilia Futura.